Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV Marine, and today we're at the Western New York RV show going January 17th through the 26th. I'm so excited to show you guys this Brinkley. This is the Model I 265. This is the first time we're seeing it, first time a lot of people are seeing it. So I'm going to take you guys kind of around the inside, and then I'll show you some of the things on the outside. So to start, it's a Brinkley. I mean, look at the decor in here. It's absolutely beautiful. They're Brinkley craftsmanship, no putty, no staples. It just looks so good. And this is their kitchen area. Their kitchen area is awesome. They don't give you an oven. They give you this drawer, which you're gonna like better anyways. You got a trash can in there. Trash can and a spot for trash bags. If we pull out this top part, that towel rack that's in every Brinkley. They included it in their travel trailers. This is so awesome. 3-burner cooktop. They decided to go with this Furrion one. It makes it look really clean in here. Huge microwave. So this is a travel trailer, convection microwave, because they don't have that oven. Tons of counter space, the sink with the farm style. Down here, Brinkley said this is even dishwasher prepped. For a travel trailer, that's just crazy. To have a dishwasher in here is so cool. A lot of the times with these corner cabinets, you kind of lose space. Brinkley, that doesn't happen. So if we pull this forward, kind of an odd shaped door, but you get that full cabinet space. And these are all real wood cabinets too. They don't skimp out on nothing. So we can close this back up. Coming over to this way, you do have your dinette area. This does pull out, and Brinkley, you know, they got to give you that silverware drawer. So full pull out silverware drawer, slow close. These seats, they fold up. They get tucked underneath the bed for traveling. Super nice and easy. And they don't give you a TV. This is the coolest thing Brinkley's done. So you can see up here, there's a projector. Now, this projector comes to this window. If we pull this shade down, there's your TV for the inside. But if we pull it up, I'll show you guys on the outside. This actually reflects onto the outside. So you can watch TV outside with a travel trailer. It's so cool. Tons of storage everywhere. Storage underneath there, underneath the sink. And then your living area. You do have your 2 recliners. Just basic recliners. There's shades. Brinkley, we love these shades. You got the day shades and the night shades, and then you can separate them out. Makes it super easy to use. These lights above me, I do want to mention they're LEDs and they're dimmable. All you have to do is press the button, they dim down or they go nice and bright. Coming over to the fridge, this is a new Furrion fridge they're doing for 2025. So much easier than the old one with these 2 doors. It is a 12-volt fridge, so it will run just off of the batteries. And you get a pull-down freezer. So this is a drawer freezer, super nice and easy to use. And tons of space. This is going to be your pantry or whatever you want to use it for. Pull out drawers, super nice. Bedroom, super awesome. They've utilized this space so well. So you do have your full-size bed in here. Cabinets up above, and these are some deep cabinets too. Tons of room up top, deep as well. And this bed's awesome. So if we lift this bed up, normally you get under bed storage, right? Well, with this drop frame chassis, they give you this cool area down here. Spot to hang your shirts, laundry basket area, place to put your shoes, and we can even step down in there. And you're perfectly fine. Tons of room. There's a wardrobe on this side that we'll show you, and then up above us is the second AC unit. It's a Furrion AC unit. Coming up out of here, we have the bathroom. So tons of space. It's a rear bathroom. So if we walk back here, tons of room. Porcelain toilet. Max air vent above us. You have one in the kitchen as well. These are rain sensors. So if it starts raining, you forget to leave it closed, it'll automatically close for you. No rain on the inside. Tons of storage for your towels and your toiletries. And then this shower. This shower is massive. I'm 6'1". I'm standing in here perfectly fine. Beautiful glass door to close it. And that Brinkley shower head with a handle too. Another thing about the Brinkleys is they like it to feel residential in here. So it's a very comfy, cozy place. You have these super nice recliners on the flush floor slide. So you don't have that toe kick. And if you also look at the floor, you haven't seen heat vent in the floor. I don't want to cut holes in this floor. So they put them all underneath the cabinets, underneath the sink, underneath the stove. So it'll keep it nice and warm and you don't have holes in your floor where dirt and dust can get into. Another thing I wanted to mention on the inside is the AC unit. So the main AC unit for in here is a 13.5, but it's what they call their chill cube. So This is a soft start. It keeps it nice and cold in here and gets cold so quickly. I just can't rave about this enough. Just the Brinkley craftsmanship that they've done in here for a travel trailer is amazing. On the outside, up here in the front, we do have the huge underbelly storage. This is a drop frame chassis. So they drop that frame, give you so much more room in there. You can also see in there you have your 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. There's a solar controller in here and all of your disconnects for your battery and your traveling and things like that. On the front, we have a power tongue jack and your 30-pound propane tanks. This front is huge. It's got a nice big window so you can see out from your bedroom. Also, they move the rock guard up a little bit. Those rocks will just deflect downwards. We have stabilizers. These stabilizers are power, so all you gotta do is hit the switch and they come down, super easy to use. Look at the side of this camper. This camper is an aluminum camper, which is crazy. You don't really see that outside of Airstreams. So no fiberglass on the outside. It's straight aluminum. It looks beautiful. You can also see that you have the stairs here. These are going to be a solid step stair with that large pull down handle, and then the screen door. So this has got the hard screen on it. Also the slingshot, so it'll automatically close behind you. On the main outside door too, they did add this extension handle so that you can open your door from being on the ground level. You don't have to walk up a step, open it up, walk down a step, and then back into your camper. The TV is awesome on the outside to have. Looks so good. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the Brinkley Model I 265 with me. We're gonna be at the show January 17th through the 26th, or you can call me directly at 716-694-0188, extension 469. Thanks, guys.